to my channel. It's your girl Nova, and if you are a return subscriber, hey girl, hey, and if you're new, welcome to the Nova gang. As y'all can tell from the title of this video, what am I giving y'all today? Hey, another hair review period. I'm trying to figure out what little theme song I want to come up with when I do like my hair review videos, but I'm gonna figure it out. But yes, you all, today's video is sponsored by Supernova hair. They sent your girl a unit to review. So like we do in any other video, exactly, let's get into it. So like I said, Supernova has sent me one of their beautiful units and I'm super excited. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to work with them. So the fact that they sent me a girl a unit, and look at this bag. Get into it. It's the royalty colors for me. But we're just gonna have and see what's in here. Okay. Ooh. They gave your girl some wig caps. You know me. If y'all have been watching my affordable wig series, y'all know that I be needing wig caps. So I'm literally starting a collection of wig caps right now. So they sent your girl a wig cap. Let's see. They sent me a headband. Ooh, this is super cute. I'll probably put this one on because, you know, see my eye? Yeah, red. So I'm probably gonna put that one on. And then they sent me another one. And it looks like this. Oh, let me see. Oh, that's what it looks like. So floral. And then they sent me, this looks like a scarf. Ooh, this is cute. So they sent your girl a scarf. Oh, I don't know, this might be in competition with the other one. We might do this one. Yeah, we're gonna do this one. This one is giving me vibes, okay? And then here we have the unit. So I will put all the specs and details on the side of this video. And they sent your girl a 10-inch headband wig bob, okay? Per usual, the paper. And this is what the unit looks like, okay? Real cute. It already comes pre-bumped, which is amazing. So all I have to do is just put this wig on, no hassle. So off bat, it feels really good. It's very silky, it's very smooth, no tangles, as you can see, no tangles. This hair is it feels really good. And this is the headband. And then inside, let's look at the wig construction. This is the wig construction of this wig. So just the regular, but then they are a little different. They have these wig clips right here, okay? The other ones just have the regular comb, so that's different. And they have one on the bottom as well. So let's go ahead and put this unit on. All right, so we have the unit on, and honey, I'm giving y'all straight 90s auntie, okay? I'm giving y'all 90s auntie. All I'm missing is the gold teeth and the nails. So, yes. Like I said, again, this is the 10-inch, and it is pre-bumped. Honey, they gave the right person this wig. I can give y'all auntie. I could give y'all auntie, okay? Girl, hold up. Oh, honey, what? Hold up. Stiff wear. Honey, I need to play some 90s music in the background of this video. This is what it's giving. It's giving straight 90s. I'm giving y'all 90s realness right now, okay? Cause I like your stilo, and I dig the way you kiss my man. He's all in my hand. He feels good when he calls my name. Don't you wish you had the same? Whoo! This is one of those wigs where you can really play around with it. Stop playing with the kid, honey. What? This headband wig is giving me vibes, honey. Hold up. Let me find out. Okay, honey, get into it. Get into it. You can't tell me nothing right now, okay? Y'all, get into this quality of this wig. Real, it is giving vibes. So let me try it on with this scarf, and then I'm going to give y'all all the grand details of this wonderful wig that I have on my head right now. What's it giving? What's it giving? Honey, I am somebody auntie. I am somebody auntie. I'm giving auntie vibes, honey. Honey, Supernova. Y'all gave the right person this wig, honey. Hold up, let me see if Dre can come here so I can get her reaction to this wig. Live reaction. wait. I was talking about me. I said, let's see how fast it takes Dre to come over here.
Yeah, it's cute.
Who I look like? It's my auntie.
It's giving me very much Christmas auntie vibes.
It's giving me very much.
Rich auntie at the cookout.
I'm giving y'all a layered bob right now. Now, if this was blonde, look, Supernova, if y'all have a blonde one, don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Honey, okay. Period, poo. Period. Okay, so let's get to the details of this wig. Let's get into the details of this wig. So this wig is 150 density, natural black color, medium cat size and default. 5 clips in the inside, as I showed you all. It can be adjusted freely. And let's see. You don't need to do anything. You just put your wig cap on, throw this wig on, tie your little headband around it, boom. So when you buy this wig, you do get 1 wig cap. You do get a scarf and a headband, but they gave your girl 2 headbands because, you know, yeah. So yeah, you can do different hairstyles with this. Like I showed y'all, you don't have to just keep it in just one little area. Okay, so I found it. So it comes in the lengths 8 through 14 inch. Okay, but if y'all get this one, let me know so I can see y'all rock it, because honey, right now I'm rocking it. This is the wig review. Again, get into the B. Period. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. If there is a certain wig company that you want me to work with or try out next, let me know in the comments as well, or shoot me a DM. I'm always checking my DMs, always on my phone, which is kind of sad. But I do have other videos like this, so if you want to binge watch the Wig Diary series, do that. So yeah, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, and let them be a part of the Nova gang. Like, don't be stingy now. I'm here for everybody. So yes, I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.